So
Acha.
basically transforming the career-based curriculum MBA to completely skill-based.
Skill based.
And the most cost affordable only registered registration fee of 950. उसमें पूरा कोई भी skill based चाहिए तो with industry types and all.
Acha. Just send me some details.
Sure, sure, sure.
है ना
I'll send.
मेरे email पे.
Sure, sure.
Dr. Shah virtual
Sure,
पे.
sure, sure.
Right.
Thank you
We
so
can
much.
work out something.
Yeah, sure, sure. Thank. I keep traveling to Ahmedabad because
Ah.
I'm from Rajasthan.
I'm Prakash. I work with ANZ Bank as an investment banker. So I'm a
With which bank?
ANZ Bank, Australia New Zealand Bank.
Ah.
So I work on investment banking, geopolitical analysis. So I've been publishing papers for the last 10 years. So your podcast is extremely helpful. I've incorporated a lot of it in my work.
Wow.
And initially, people within my organization and our clients I used to publish $3 papers in 2021, 22. They used to argue against. Everyone agrees on that.
Wow.
So I've been working on payment systems as well, from Swift and a few others. So we have been developing alternative payment systems for coming out of the dollar. So Australia has been pushing for it. So as you say, Australia is,
After the FTA,
FTA, they are in line with India.
it
and
has
they have
started.
a So I have been on the ground seeing the changes.
Wow.
A lot of clients have been asking, especially oil exporting companies and banks in based out of UAE.
Because for them the disorder is coming first.
Yes. And they have.
Start the recording. Yes, Ashwin. Yes, we can start.
Balaji, do one thing. Start from the lane.
Okay.
Like
We will do one thing. We will start
From
from,
the-
this side, so that
from the first row.
if from this side, if anybody is having questions, we can.
Mute their phones. You want to get down?
No, that's okay.
Sir.
Mute.
And one more thing, please put your phone to aeroplane mode so that you will not get any disturbance. Please put it in silent mode. And from here, if anybody is having questions, one by one, they can come in the come here, ask their question loudly. Ashwin will hold the mic, and you can go and check back. Is it okay? Yes. First from here. We start from here. Here. Anybody questions? You have a question? Yes, please come with madam.
Oh, that's okay. Hello.
No, come here, come here.
Okay.
So that he can hear. One by one, you have to come over here so that Ankit can hear your question, and you have to go back to your place.
Namaste. Thanks for coming to Bangalore.
Ji.
I don't have a question. I just wanted to say thank you for really changing the way we look at the world. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello.
Come
Yeah. Healthcare industry in India have a 100% FDI, and also the data whatever it is
Insurance you are talking about, which was allowed.
and also patients data whatever it is directly access to the world, outside world. It is misused and all. So what should be the policy and how should be the way about that?
With respect to health industry.
Yes.
So first of all, there are two issues here. One is when you are talking about standardization of technology with which data collection is happening, and then that can be misused, accessed, misaccessed, and whatever the stuff. Second matter is you also want to get some benefit out of standardization, right? You don't want to miss out on that as well either. So I think this is more about how the medicine students are being groomed when they are being taught practicing of medicine. Okay, so if at that level we make this moral code of conduct clear about what kind of technology will be used and what kind of treatment needs to be adhered to. Okay. From the government perspective, what can be done is for every standardized tech that platforms that you are using which are not indigenous, you need to give a cost effective option to individual SMEs and MSMEs who are in practice at a very lower subscription rate, a government platform. And then again, the babus have to be strong enough to see to it that they themselves are not corrupt, that they are going to sell that data. So these are the things that can be done.
And also about like the FDI is 100% in a healthcare, and a lot of hospitals get acquired by the external countries, right?
Huh.
The Manipal hospital or so they are now becoming a money minting machines.
That is why they entered with that 100% FDI. So I think this is more about the confusion within the governance, because at one side when you are seeking investments, and second side you are saying that if it comes 100% FDI, then a lot of negative stuff can happen. Okay, now they are entering to do those negative stuffs, and you are wanting to take the positive benefits out of those investments. So that is where the confusion lies in the governance. Now the fundamental problem here is when the professionals in the domain are not groomed with the values of dharma. That is the point in time you start getting compromised, right? Which is why it is very important that as soon as a human infant is born, right, nobody is born with any kind of vicious attitude कि मेरे को किसी को नुकसान करना है, that kind of thing. Every human being who's born is completely blank in terms of how to behave. So from the very young age, you have to fill in those dharmic values. Then you get a person who's going to adhere to those values after becoming an adult. So there is no shortcut here. So maybe tools and governance and policies, things can continue changing, but this is something which is constant. If the person is built with those dharmic values, then he's not going to compromise whatsoever, right? And when the whole society is being built that way, then nothing negative can happen. Okay, so this is where the fundamental lacking is. So as far as politicians are concerned, you have to understand that uh, when we are into an election format, obviously companies are funding those elections. और कौन fund कर रहा है? So somebody who's funding your election campaign are funding with a motive of getting some benefit after you get elected, which is why you see 100% FDI or whatsoever. Now, a little good luck in that sense that at least in this government you do not have that level of compromise, but we don't know about the future. If there are leaders who are coming who get compromised easily, especially leaders who have family members, very easy to get compromised, because even if the leader himself is personally clean, there are temptations about what children would demand, what brothers and sisters would expect, things like that. Which is why I say when we talk about Narendra Modi ji's life, more than his sacrifice, it is about sacrifice of the family members. उन्होंने तो किया sacrifice, but वो sacrifice continue रहे और उसका benefit पूरे राष्ट्र को मिले, उसके लिए उनके family members ने कितना sacrifice किया, that they have not maintained a single point of contact with that guy, कि compromise हो ही ना सके. कल को somebody will threaten कि भाई तुम्हारा family member इधर है, तुम ये कर रहे हो नहीं कर रहे हो, otherwise will damage, will injure that person. So this is what happens in this election format of governance. Especially South में तो बहुत ही brutal politics है. I have seen. Recently I was in Kerala. एक गली में लाल flag लगा हुआ है केरला में. So you मतलब आप जरा सा भी वो system से बाहर कुछ भी करोगे तो there are brutal consequences, right? तो अभी तो जैसे केरला में तो obviously you know what kind of government it is, और इतना entrenchment है कि कुछ भी काम करवाना है तो you have to be part of that system, तो कुछ काम होगा तुम्हारा, right? So obviously electoral politics, which is obviously not our format of governance, this is not ancient Bharat format of governance, right? So, what ancient Bharat format of governance was what we call as the Kshatriyas. Kshatriyas means Triya. Triya means someone who has the quality of Brahman, Vaishya, and Shudra, and is able to protect. All three qualities he has can only become the king. That is why it's called Kshatriya. Okay. So only those who are eligible to be the leaders in governance. That is how it has to be. It's not supposed to be voting. I mean, nobody is voting rationally, right? Nobody is voting rationally. Certainly not religious groups voting rationally at all. So we are in the wrong or imposed or an imported format of governance. So there will be consequences.
Thank you. Jai Shri Ram.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
My name is Someshwar. My son, Raghu, he's a vice president in Accenture company.
Huh.
He went to Philippines. He married a girl there.
Huh.
Both of them, they traveled to Atlanta in America,
Huh.
settled there now, purchased lot of properties, and he's there. I am telling you about your advice to him. He's not listening to me at all.
No,
He's sending me a letter saying that this is all no, it's not right, and we are very comfortable, and you don't worry about me. This is what he says, sir. What is the advice that you give? How do I pass it on to my son?
So, so I'll tell you. It's very difficult. I tell you what is the attitude of employees of IT sector in general. They think 5 by 5 square is their life, and that 5 by 5 is up in the air. बाहर क्या हो रहा है उनको कुछ पता भी नहीं है, जानना भी नहीं है. They think, why should I even bother to see what is happening outside the window? That's the attitude IT sector has gotten because it was entire free money. Okay. So you think you will be able to convince him? I don't think so.
I'm finding it very difficult to hear.
No, it's not going to happen because जब उनके president बोल रहे हैं कि bankrupt है फिर भी नहीं सुन रहे तो आपका कहाँ से सुन रहे?
For some people, they only learn it in the hard way, you know.
हाँ, and they are okay with it when it will happen because that's a kind of a society which is, imagine somebody is living 50 years for free. तो उसको क्या फर्क पड़ता है अचानक गायब भी हो गया तो हाँ इट्स लाइक ठीक है जो हो रहा है. पैसे मांग रहा है ना वो. He is asking money which is totally opposite to the last 50 years, right? हम जाके वहाँ पे इन्वेस्टमेंट के शोज करते थे. Now he is asking money. That's totally reverse.
Not only asking, झूठ पे झूठ बोले जा रहे हैं. But he's saying South Korea has a deal. South Korea's government say we have no return agreement.
कोई भी किसी के साथ कोई डील हुआ नहीं उसका.
But I told only one thing. Excuse me, sir. I told my son, look, you are not listening to me now. But if the dollar comes down to 30 rupees or 35 rupees, please listen to me and do the needful. I have told him.
I'll have bread and butter for you. You will have bread and butter.
No, understand. Before it happens 30-35, he will face discrimination around in his office itself. So that experience nobody can forget, right? If you get beaten up or something like that.
हम रहे ना रहे हम रहे ना रहे. Okay, my question is also the similar line of Ghar Vapsi. My son-in-law is he's a bioscientist, and my daughter is in immigration, and she's in San Diego. Now they had bought a property, and I don't know, they are not sharing all the details. However, they are selling properties in India and trying to meet their expenses. उल्टा कर रहे हैं. और जब पूछा तो कहते हैं 2 साल ट्रम्प रहेगा फिर चला जाएगा, फिर तो डेमोक्रेटिक वाले आ जाएंगे और उनका इतना हेडेक नहीं होगा। तो हम 2 साल मैनेज कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि बच्चा 2022 में पैदा हुआ है तो सिटीजनशिप तो मिल ही गया है उसको, तो उसके बहाने हम भी रह लेंगे। बच्चे के कांधे पे बंदूक चला के वहां रहना चाहते हैं।
So-
और H1B वीजा का भी लोचा है।
हाँ, सो अंडरस्टैंड, जितना मुझे समझ में आ रहा है, जिस प्रकार से जयशंकर जी ग्लोबल मोबिलिटी बोल रहे हैं, द वर्ड इज वेरी वेरी क्लियर, ग्लोबल मोबिलिटी। सिटीजनशिप का कोई जिक्र ही नहीं है। मतलब नए वर्ल्ड ऑर्डर में सिटीजनशिप मिलने ही नहीं वाली।
तो जो है वो,
मतलब जो इट वुड बी लाइक मुंबई लोकल में कैसे ट्रैवल करते हैं,
हाँ,
वैसा आपको 6 महीने का पास, 1 साल का पास, आप जाओ काम करो अमेरिका, वापस आ जाओ रात को, दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग।
Ankit, I think the people, those who have already got it, like some of like us, so I think that they will like it is like this in Canada.
Well, you can't guarantee that.
No, for me it's Canada. My passport is Canadian. Canada is also going to treat like quotas.
Mostly Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand have to do what Washington says.
even with the birthright citizenship, even with the birthright
It
citizenship,
can happen. It can happen.
It can happen.
There is a lot of pressure. Understand, the MAGA crowd has a lot of pressure. और जितना ले ऑफ हो रहा है, तो प्रेशर आएगा ही पॉलिटिशियंस के
मगर
ऊपर।
वो 2 साल का ही है ना वो। That pressure is going to be for only for 2 years is a concept.
What kind
where
of pressure?
Democratic will come back to the power, and then they are not favoring all such things,
So
right?
when I gave these predictions,
Huh.
it was Biden. It was not even Trump.
Oh, irrespective of whoever comes. That's
Excuse me.
Give me.
Sir, there are people who are waiting for the
People who are
question.
waiting, please. You have to go and stand in the queue.
Hey, hi Ankit. My name is. Okay. My name is Subhash. Shh, guys. Shh.
Silence, please.
My name is Subhash. I have a question and I also have some information for the group here. My question is more on decolonization, right? That you have mentioned several times. So I have a lot of love for our ancient culture. I think all of us have, right? Ancient culture, Sanatan languages, right? So one of my goals is to revive Sanskrit, and I run the Easy Sanskrit page, and we have interacted. We have interacted and exchanged. You have been guiding me through on email. We have, I think, I hope you remember that. So just for information of this group, I run a page called Easy Sanskrit. It's there on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. On Twitter, Sridhar Bembu also follows that. I think he also is interested to learn Sanskrit. The method that I've used in that is just provide our everyday conversation translations, right? Like I'm going, having food, bring
Simple
my book,
sentences.
like simple sentences, because I believe that's the best way to learn any language, and that's how I've learned Kannada, right? Being here, right, is to pick up conversations, and I think I'm looking for someone, if you want to partner, to do the same thing to have for each language, right? So that might solve the language issues that we have been seeing, right? For state language, and I think most of time we just need to is a starter, right? So coming back to this, which you have been guiding me to promote Sanskrit, right? And one thing that I've realized is that there is a lot of phobia to that. It's very tough, and we are so much colonized that we feel that it's not either possible or what should I do? And also government have been trying and spending a lot of money every year, their budgets for promoting Sanskrit and a lot of other languages, but it's not converting, right? So what is the advice and guidelines you have for me or for us here? And also what should government change? Because this has got a lot of impact on our decolonization goal.
So the fundamental problem is you need to have it as a operating language or a working language. Unless it is linked to cash flow, nobody is interested. Right? Are you able to make money learning Sanskrit? If the answer is yes, nobody is scared with that language. Okay, that is one thing. Second thing, as I said, that It has to be operating working language. So a lot of the tech research that needs to be done, how much of it can be based back to any of the our languages, be it Sanskrit or whatever that is, right? Third thing, what we also need to do on the AI front is bringing back the skeleton to Sanskrit, because whatever AI stuff that you are going to develop, what happens is it is going to do search on data which is in English or Latin or something like that,
Yes.
which is all wrong rubbish data about ourselves. Okay, so even if you make efforts in AI, it is going to fetch you answers from things which are already recorded in English and everything is wrong about you. So whoever is working on the AI stuff or real research and development in tech, they have to see to it that the skeleton is made of Sanskrit. So if 130 crore people jumps to a system where the skeleton is made of Sanskrit, let them come and follow, right? They will come searching for us.
But how can we add a commercial interest to this? Like you said, right? If you what is in there for me? That's the first question that you always
there are
have.
two things. One is a long-term process, which is when systems change into getting Sanskrit co-opted.
Hmm.
Second, there could be shortcuts as well. Say, for example, you are giving reservation for 10% of government jobs for Sanskrit people.
Hmm.
So there could be shortcuts as well. Because this is like, what we are trying to say is कि पूरा टाइम हमको ब्लेम करते हैं ना कि तुम्हारा कास्ट सिस्टम है.
Hmm.
You do the reverse. You tell them तुम्हारा इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज वाला कास्ट सिस्टम है, संस्कृत को जगह दो. You play reverse with them. So ask for a reservation for Sanskrit language experienced people in government jobs or whatever the
But
benefits.
that looks very hard, right? I mean, there's a lot of people
No,
who are
it's
dead
not
against
hard.
Sanskrit.
I mean, if you want to force Kannada over here, right? तो पूरा गैंग बना के आ जाते हैं. So why not for Sanskrit or other languages?
So leaving commercial interest and government's efforts, right, which is not in my hand, what should we do organically at a grassroots level? I run social media page. I've got 300-400 followers, and what is it that I can do from my end to promote it? Like what I'm trying to do now is to create more modern and contextual conversation examples, and that is probably triggering a lot of people. But what else can I do? Anything in offline? So far, I've been doing everything online.
I think one of the things you can do is maybe attract
Make it cool.
maybe attract
That's one
youngsters,
of the things he said earlier.
maybe attract youngsters and children of small age with animated Sanskrit stuff.
And young parents.
Animated Sanskrit stuff, some game, some puzzle, that kind of things. It could be offline games as well, it could be online games as well. Just like small kids who are making those games of putting the puzzle in and things like that. Maybe you pick up some ancient Bharat background and with some Sanskrit shlok in it, that kind of games, word building games, that kind of thing. Smaller kids
I'm done, yeah.
would be interested in.
Let's keep our
Sure.
questions short and sweet.
So I'm done.
More and more people
Please pass on the mic.
Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, the name
Easy
of the
Sanskrit.
page is Easy Sanskrit.
Easy Sanskrit.
Easy Sanskrit or easysanskrit.com. Everywhere
So
same
you
name.
all are on the same WhatsApp group. They all are.
Yes. I will share the link.
I'll share the link. Yeah. Thank you.
So you all use that WhatsApp group, right?
Yeah. Sure. I'll share you, Balaji.
Let's keep the questions short and sweet, and let's make sure we're not repeating the
That's okay. That's okay.
Ankit bhai, welcome to Bangalore. Welcome to Bangalore. I'm Ranganath Hegde. First a lighter question. So आप बोलते रहते हो कि हेडलाइन पढ़ना सीखो लेकिन बॉडी लैंग्वेज कैसे पढ़ना है करके वो कब सिखाएंगे?
Well, it's not something that like कोई course करके learn किया है. So I have no clue like what exactly I have to tell. It's like, say if you are observing how Narendra Modi ji conducts himself. Right. I mean, I can tell you about my family members, for example. So my family members, I know whenever somebody is going to process a lie in his head, exactly what body part is going to move. Okay. So somebody's left eyebrow might go up.
I'll come to the actual question. Now we hear a lot about the Gurukul system now. Gurukul system now, the way the leftists and others have done, all schools, universities, everywhere they have penetrated. Now they are trying to penetrate into Gurukul system also. That is what I learned from my leftist friends. So because I was in Mumbai, leftist friends are there. They say that they are trying to make a this thing. Is there any body or something which can control such thing and identify right from beginning only and give a credit rating kind of system to Gurukul system also, so that people know, and that Kshatra Bhav should be taught in every Gurukul system. That should be the norm, I think.
See, the problem with that is कि अभी initial point है गुरुकुल्स का, तो अगर अभी आप कुछ regulation वाला कुछ डालोगे तो that reduces the speed of
Rating system can be done.
Can be done.
Someone with a credible people should be there on the panel. Sanskari people should be there.
Kind of thing.
Okay, thanks.
Makes sense.
Ask the question. Sure. Hi. Good evening, Ankit ji. Can you hear me? Yeah. So Ankit ji, पहले मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ फिर मैं इंग्लिश में बोलता हूँ. सब कोई को अभी स्टॉक मार्केट का क्रेज हो गया है. सब यूथ, everybody wants to go into the stock market and make money. And what government did in the last 4 years after COVID, they given options, weekly options, all those things, crazy money influencers. Everybody jumped into it. Now they are trying to restrict it. They are removing the options, FNO, taxes भी लगा दिए हैं. Cash market में बहुत taxes लगा दिए हैं. तो एक्चुअली आपका क्या सजेशन होता है, अगर जो स्टॉक मार्केट में वो निकल जाए, गवर्नमेंट को स्टॉक मार्केट बंद कर देना चाहिए क्योंकि वो खराब है? अगर वो इतना खराब है, इतनी गंदगी है, तो क्यों लोग को इनकरेज किया जाता है? हाउस, पार्लियामेंट हाउस में भी जाके सब जाके बोलते हैं कि मार्केट अच्छा करेगा, इनकरेजमेंट मिलता है, फिर there are a lot of contradiction around it, correct? So what is the guidance for the youth and the future in the market? Should we invest? Should we close it out? Should we leave it?
So first of all, stock market, the way it is functioning is totally wrong. Based on, if you are talking about ancient Bharat principles, long-term investment is okay. Short-term and day trading is pure gambling. Okay, this is not dharmic at all, because you are profiting, somebody else is making a loss somewhere else, right, in some other corner. So I don't see this as a viable career at all. First of all, students certainly of smaller age, people who don't even have built their own money, certainly shouldn't be going into it. Okay. So and with this reset, I am more than sure short term is going.
And what about IPOs with the new companies?
IPOs might come.
Might come.
Long term investment is okay.
Always okay.
Short term is not okay.
Thank you.
So the long term is 1 year and above.
1 year and above.
Long term is 1 year and above. NTCG.
नमस्ते अंकित जी, मेरा नाम साईनाथ है. So for the past 5 years, I am trying to bring Sanskrit into Sanskrit as a technical language. So towards that, I have created some 3 programming languages. One is released to a bigger customer. Second one is released to a smaller customer. Now the difficulty I am facing is from the perspective of Sanatan, how do I handle the sales and marketing? Because I am from a technical background, and when I go to people who are very good in sales, I find it difficult to follow their approach. It will not work for me. So is
What
there
kind of approach?
Mostly वो झूठ बोलते हैं.
वो बोलने को भी कतरा रहा है.
हाँ. So and second, I find it difficult to ask money as well. So like I want to be learning sales and marketing skills from say Sanatan background. So definitely there will be dharmic content in it, and there will be more authenticity when I try to do that. So currently I started as a company, and now I am running it as like teaching children. Whatever I am creating, I am trying to teach children, and then ऐसे हो रहा है, ऐसे चल रहा है.
So you created any financial model for this or just
No.
हवा में चल रहा है?
हवा में चल रहा है. I like
कितना
research.
साल आपने डाला है इसमें?
5 साल डाला है.
5 साल डाला.
हाँ.
और खर्चा कितना किया है?
नहीं मतलब जितना खर्चा डाला, खर्चा काफी कम है और खर्चे से ज्यादा पैसे आ गए. And I am running it from my savings. I am running this from my savings.
See.
But it's not a good idea that.
See, in general, what happens is, some business in general can be based on Sanatan principle. It is 25% of cost.
Okay.
That can be your margin.
Okay.
Maximum margin.
अच्छा.
तो 5 साल का आपने जो एफर्ट डाला है और जो कॉस्ट लगा,
हाँ.
उसमें 25% आप ऐड कर सकते हो.
Okay, ठीक है.
That should be fine. Second thing, if you are putting it as for public usage, तो उसमें कुछ सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल निकालो जो एकदम कम अमाउंट में है.
Okay.
Okay. दूसरा, I will also think on it because संस्कृत पे ये दूसरा क्वेश्चन आ चुका है. So I'll also think on it कि कैसे इसको मास लेवल ऑपरेशन पे कैसे ले जा सकते हैं.
ठीक है.
I'll think on it. I'll have to think on it. I don't have the answer.
ठीक है. Thank you.
Namaste, Ankit ji. So is the whole FTA? My name is Srivatsa. Namaste. So is this whole FTA that's been delayed by our administration? Is it being like is Trump trying to delay it purposely so that he can postpone the crisis, or is it part of the game?
I don't think Trump is trying to delay. They have a delusion about their own capacity to influence the decisions. They are in delusion that everybody is supposed to follow whatever they say. So we are not UK kind of a country. Okay. So this deal cannot be done with the kind of demands they have. So will that, as you said, will that delay the crisis? Yes, because even for the 2 dips which I was saying, the expectation was that as soon as India-US deal is done, it comes. Now, since the relations are ruptured to a point where we are saying कि हमको participate ही नहीं करना है, तुम आओ तुम्हारी टीम लेके. तो this August, last 2 weeks they are coming. अब इसमें कैसे होता है negotiation, उस पर से होगा, बट ट्रेड अग्रीमेंट नहीं होने वाला है. वो माइक्रो मिनी जो भी है, नैनो, टेम्पररी जो भी, मतलब फेस सेवर दोनों कंट्री के लिए कि मैसेज ऐसा ना चला जाए कि रिलेशन खत्म हो चुका है. सो दे विल एज अ फेस सेवर कुछ साइन शायद कर लें, बट ट्रेड अग्रीमेंट इज नॉट हैपनिंग, सर्टेनली नॉट हैपनिंग.
So the crisis is also certainly.
Crisis might delay a bit.
Jai Janendra sir, Jai Shri Ram. I am founder of AI. I am founder of AI based startup. Yesterday in live talk you talked about we have to catch the AI bus. So we missed the manufacturing bus and we have to catch. What exactly in geoeconomics is to catch AI bus? Because like our business plan, our predictions have certain limitations. But what exactly catching is, because the big ones are like really big, they can copy anything overnight, and so what exactly?
See, the problem is that these guys have huge funds and they are building the AI infrastructure on their own, and what they are thinking is they will give subscription to everybody else. Now this kind of funding capacity no other country has, at least at this point. तो डॉलर का जो लास्ट है उसका ये बेनिफिट वो उठा रहे कि दे विल बिल्ड द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड देन इम्पोज ऑन एवरीवन, व्हिच इज व्हाई आई बिलीव दैट ट्रेड अग्रीमेंट में इसका कंपोनेंट होना चाहिए, वरना नहीं करना है साइन. व्हाई डू वी साइन इट? सो मैसेज चला गया है, पढ़ाई होगा जिसने भी पढ़ना है, राइट?
So in trade agreement there will be something.
There should be. I don't know.
Will benefit Indian companies.
होना चाहिए.
Great, sir. Thank you, sir.
What is the role of British royal family in the New World Order? What is the role of British royal family in the New World Order?
In the New World Order, the British royal family will be decimated. Will be a part of DS, but not with any prominent say.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
What the position of rupee value under present political position of India?
What is
in the world? What the position of rupee value, future rupee value under the present political position by Modi?
Well,
under the leadership of Modi or under the financial position of Nirmala Sitharaman, what we expect about the rupee value in the future in the world?
To my understanding, they are not going to spell it out.
What we can imagine, like what the position in the way they are moving.
See,
the way are they constructing the world?
I'll tell you my view, and also tell you what they think probably is. My view is, if rupee goes 65 to 70, 75, whatever, and if you stay over there at that range, it will be destruction, to my understanding, because anyways you are going to lose all the contracts. Okay, if you let it go down further and further, 3 rupees, 10 rupees, 11 rupees, whatever that is, the faster you go towards there, the faster the decolonization of our society. We don't want, this is my understanding, we should not want our tier 2 and 3 to think that there is still some scope in that old world. So if you stay in the range of 65 to 70, 75 and think कि नहीं मैं इसमें कुछ अभी जो चल रहा है आईटी का उसको मैं थोड़ा उसको बचा लेता हूँ, थोड़ा ये कर लूंगा, I don't think they will be able to manage that. I don't think so. And to my understanding, they think so.
Sir, at the time of our independence, for 1 rupee you are getting $4. But now
Productivity नहीं है ना, they didn't had any productivity. So जो आज भी नहीं है.
Sorry.
Hare Krishna, Dr. Ankisha. Actually, I'm from a company called Broadcom, which is second in market share in AI chips. So, like with AI boom, right? Nvidia's market cap went beyond $4 trillion. Even Broadcom's like almost like $1.5 trillion. So, what is the future of these share stocks like Broadcom or Nvidia? So, our company is predicting that in 2028, AI revenue will be like $50 to $60 billion. So, do you think with that much?
What is the revenue of Broadcom for the last financial year?
It's around $40 billion, and AI revenue is around $10 billion, and they're predicting another 2 to 3 years, $50 billion.
Forget about what they're predicting. So $10 billion is the annual revenue.
No, $40 billion. Out of that, $10 billion is only AI chips. AI hardware.
And what is the market value of this company?
Around $1.4 trillion. So
समझ
same
गए?
as Nvidia.
So तो valuation तो जाएगा first of all. Second, आप जो projection दे रहे हो कि 10 का 50 होगा in terms of, now there are multiple things here. One, जो consolidation आएगा because of the reset. Some IT companies eating away minor IT companies. Everybody amalgamating into one big thing, just in case to survive. Okay. Second thing is, you will be seeing a dilution in the value of dollar itself. तो एक वो dilution है, दूसरा ये जो stock market के valuation का dilution है, absolute numbers का, दोनों. Okay. So there is no doubt कि AI का demand होगा, AI is the thing, but there is complete doubt about what number of people AI can hire as employees, and since the number of employees would be lesser, this lesser number of people might have very good packages. Okay, so somebody, say I'm talking about tier 1 of the management, right now hiring 500 employees. Now this 500 becomes 5. Now these 5 people might have very good packages. that doesn't concern me, right? I want to be in that 500 which are going to be laid off. So that's what the trouble is. Not that AI is not important. Tech is certainly important, but the number of pay scale and the number of job slots, that won't be there. तो वो जो 5 लकी है उनको मिलेगा, but that's not a mass scale job, no. और दूसरा लो tier 3 में क्या होगा, टॉप टीयर में हो रहा है. टीयर 3 में क्या हो रहा है कि आज मैंने यंगस्टर का एक बैच लिया जो AI/ML पढ़ के आया है, उसको मैंने हायर किया, पैकेज दे दिया, 3 साल मैंने काम करा लिया. अब मैं पूरे बैच को निकाल रहा हूँ, मेरे पास फ्रेश बैच आ रहा है जिसको मैं 6 लाख 10 लाख में करा सकता हूँ काम. ट्रेनिंग तो वैसे ही मैंने देनी है, IT वाले ट्रेनिंग में ही होते हैं जब पूछो. जब मैंने देनी है ट्रेनिंग तो जो 6 लाख में मिल रहा है उसको लूंगा ना मैं. So every 3 years I see complete cutout of work for the IT sector. So I do not see this as a mass level employment sector. ठीक है, अब 3 साल में आप किसी को क्या ही ग्रेचुटी और PF दे दोगे, मतलब क्या, उसका भी तो करियर स्टार्ट हुआ है मतलब. So I don't see it as for career purpose. सिवाय कि आप वो टॉप 5 में आ जाते हो जिसको वो हायर करेंगे उनको.
One last question. What can be the best price when we can sell the shares, company shares?
It's listed in US, right?
So when I joined 10 years back, it was $150. Now it's
तो अभी आज या कल $1 ट्रिलियन गिरा है ना, आज गिरा है.
नहीं, it's increasing.
नहीं, US स्टॉक मार्केट 1 ट्रिलियन गिरा है ना, तो उसमें इसमें कितना इम्पैक्ट आया? 2 to 3% आया है.
Actually, people are saying it's taking market share from anybody, our company. So, just what can be the
exit time you are asking? See if अगर ये महीने के अंदर अंदर कुछ इंडिया US डील का आ जाता है तो निकल लो.
निकल लिया. पूरा बैग लेके ही निकल लिया. बैग लेके ही निकल लिया. Yes sir.
फुल फ्लैश होने नहीं वाला.
होने वाले.
Yeah.
Ankit ji.
Ladies are not here. Yeah. Sir, one question related to IT. We are very sure layoffs will happen in next 5 years. It is already happening. So the question is, what? Okay. So the question is, what should we be doing? Like, there are business opportunities, how to proceed, because youth like me, like I'm 32. So many people are there who are not even aware. So how do we come up? What are the solutions? Definitely. But even AI will not help. So how do we do it?
Well, see what I'm going to tell you, not liking it, but then what is happening is जो मैं समझाया भी था इसके बारे में कि वर्क का जो लेवल है, वर्क जितना भी वर्क होता है उसमें पहले there were only 50 men working for it, say for example. Now 50 women are joining. So 100 employees wanting to do the same size of work. सबका सैलरी उतना नीचे जाता है और फिर 40-50 साल EMI भरो आप. That is what has happened. हाँ, अब ये रीसेट के बाद क्या होने वाला है कि बैंगलोर का जो रियल एस्टेट है राइट, तो फिर आपको वो EMI भरने की जरूरत नहीं है. अब EMI भरने की जरूरत नहीं है तो वुमन को जॉब पे जाने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. समझ रहे हो?
नहीं, तो कुछ करना पड़ेगा ना, like
some activity.
From the family background which we are coming.
It is over. Tech sector is over. Consulting उसमें आएगा और ले ऑफ, और फिर फाइनली एजुकेशन सेक्टर, और वो करेंसी के रीसेट के साथ बैंकिंग.
क्योंकि मैं खुद फॉर्च्यून 10 में एक हूँ, तो फिर आई एम एक्चुअली फेसिंग दैट. आई एम सीइंग इट डे टू डे.
नहीं मिलने वाला है वर्क, नहीं मिलने वाला है. आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हाट यू आर सपोज्ड टू डू. यू आर, if you want to still be in the IT sector, if you have thought that you still want to serve IT sector, तो फिर आपको अपने क्लाइंट्स बनाने पड़ेंगे जो इंडिया से है या गल्फ से है या रशिया से है या जापान से है, या आपकी कंपनी को उतना समझ होना चाहिए कि फटाफट डाइवर्सिफाई करके क्लाइंटेल वहां लेके जाना है. ओके और कुछ आउटसाइड आईटी सेक्टर, हाँ दैट इज अ गुड आइडिया. वो तो आप मार्केट स्टडी कीजिए, आपको कौन सा मार्केट में क्या सर्व करना है. सो विच ज्योग्राफी यू वांट टू सर्व. पहले तो बैंगलोर में रह रहे हो और बैंगलोर में ही सर्व करना है. ओके फिर उसमें आप मार्केट सर्वे करो कि क्या प्रोडक्ट का गैप है या क्या सर्विस का गैप है जो आप फिल इन कर सकते हो. ठीक है, फिर उसका पहले एक पायलट रन करो. राइट जैसा भी जो भी बिजनेस है, सपोज फूड का बिजनेस है तो कस्टमर का वॉक इन कौन से दिन आता है ज्यादा, राइट कौन सी चीजें जा रही है फूड में सेल हो रही है. ओके वो जब डेटा आ जाता है, एक दो पायलट रन करो, फिर टीम एक्सपांड करो, थोड़ा काम डेलीगेट करो और वर्क स्केल करो.
And what about the people, just like the sir has said, बहुत लोग they are not even aware, they are just like this is a bubble and it will go off just like a recession.
No, so नहीं अवेयर है तो what we can do.
One question. Like type 1, you said it, but if the recession comes, Bangalore will be half empty with the IT.
तो अच्छा है ना, आपको ये ट्रैफिक अच्छा हो जाएगा.
For the SME sort of things, type 2 is better or like type 1 is better?
जॉब टीयर 2 में ही जाएगी, बिजनेस भी टीयर 2 में ही जाएगा और टीयर 2 के लोग ही पेमेंट करने लायक बचेंगे. समझ रहे हो, ये टीयर 1 वाले क्रेडिट कार्ड में डूब जाएंगे.
So the target type 2.
हाँ, all brands will directly enter tier 2.
Sir, but what will happen to tier 1? Like will it happen like Detroit, like Bangalore?
Not like Detroit. See this old city, उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि वो आईटी वाले क्या कर रहे हैं. राइट इनका सेविंग्स का लाइफस्टाइल है, ढंग का है, कोई पैसे उड़ाते नहीं है. वो जो आईटी वाले हैं वहां प्रॉब्लम है. ठीक, वो प्रॉब्लम वाले लोग अपने अपने गांव वापस चले जाएंगे.
Yes, madam.
Namaste.
Excuse me. No, please, no question. Please come and stand here.
Namaste, sir. My name is Chandana. You were speaking of de-radicalization, right? Why it will happen now, sir? Because the people who did not change 1500 years, in 1500 years, why their mindset will change now? And when people were so much dharmic, they were ready for dying for the temples, the land, the women, the gods. Now we can't find such people. So why it will happen now?
So the question here is, why should de-radicalization happen just right now and not why it did not happen for so many years? Well, first of all, as we know that radicalization process also did not happen in one particular year or 10 years or 100 years. This has happened in several pockets over 1000 years. Right? पूरा एक साथ नहीं हुआ है. तो रिवर्सल भी पूरा एक साथ नहीं होने का है. अगर नेचुरल रिवर्सल करना है तो वो फेस्ड प्रोसेस में ही होगा, कॉर्नर्स, पॉकेट्स ऐसे करके. सो छोटा छोटा जो न्यूज उत्तर प्रदेश से आता है कि ये गांव में 200 लोग वापस आए, राइट, दैट्स अ नेचुरल प्रोसेस ऑफ हैपनिंग. तो मुश्किल जिसको हम घर वापसी बोल रहे हैं, होम कमिंग, एक या दो को करना बहुत मुश्किल है. पूरे गांव को करना इज वेरी इजी. ओके, so the only thing is that you need to prop up alternate leadership within their community, who would be eager to do topi utaro abhiyan kind of stuff, and that too in the name of religion.
Sir, but what about that book? Means that book which did not change in 1000
So the
years.
book will change. Saudi Arabia will change it.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, Ankit. My name is Ketan. It's a fanboy moment for me.
Loud.
Yeah, my name is Ketan. It's kind of a fanboy moment for me. I am following your all the YouTube videos and all every day. So I just have one question. We know that a de-dollarization is happening. we also know that what US is capable of doing. They are very clever. When they want to save the reserve status, they can go to any extent, be it two bucket theory or be it anything. So what is it? I mean, how are we so sure that that de-dollarization?
Because they are doing it.
They themselves they are doing it. Okay.
सिंपल मैंने एक ट्वीट किया है, if you know, some Western reporter, she was writing in the tweet के China is trying some gold backed payment settlement system outside of the dollar. तो मैंने उसको कोट ट्वीट करके लिखा, तो you change your question and ask this question: why did the US ban import of Russian gold in Europe? Why did US passed on gold to Swiss refineries, which passed on that gold to China? इसका आंसर दो ना पहले कि तुम्हारा डीप स्टेट ही करा रहा है. Why do you blame China या एशिया और ब्रिक्स और एनीबडी? जब स्क्रिप्ट ही तुम्हारा है, उनको जाके पकड़ो. तुम्हारा कैपेसिटी है डीप स्टेट को क्वेश्चन करने का. गोल्ड तो तुम ट्रांसफर किए, चाइना के पास गोल्ड आया कहां से? सारा का सारा यूएस का जा रहा है स्विस रिफाइनरी को. जब से यूक्रेन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट स्टार्ट हुआ, US gold is being passed to Swiss refineries. Swiss refineries are refining and passing on to China. अब तुम चाइना को क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो कि तुम बना क्यों रहे हो सिस्टम?
Who is actual friend of India, sir? Actually,
Nobody. Why should anybody be a friend of us?
Only one question, please don't.
Good evening, sir. My name is Sushma, and my question is, I'm actually a UI UX designer, and I'm working for 3 years now, and I am planning to do masters in design in abroad, in Europe. So, what do you think about doing masters anywhere, and what do you think about what are the countries that are promising for design education, and there are job markets later on after graduation?
So first of all, since you said that you want to do it outside the country for design, what is the reason you selected Europe?
Because their design standards are top level, and they have a different way of thinking that is not here in India, which I have been observing since I'm working here. So
And you intend to finish that post graduation and live and do a job in Europe. How many years you think you are going to live in Europe?
until I pay back the loans at least.
तो लोन भरने के लिए जाना है.
Country also, I want to see other places. So
You want to see, तो घूमने चले जाओ ना.
I want to study there and also work and live and see everything.
So-
And in the end, I have India. I don't.
So I'll tell you, one girl came, one parent came with their daughter. 2 करोड़ का कोर्स फाइनल किया यूके में, 2 करोड़ फीस. और देन आई सेड कि भाई यू आर गोइंग टू लिव इन यूरोप आफ्टर दैट, बिकॉज वो जो डिग्री लेने का है वो जॉब मिलेगा तो शायद यूके में ही मिलेगा और कहीं तो मिलेगा ही नहीं. सो आर यू गोइंग टू लिव लाइफ टाइम इन योर यूके? यू आर ओके विथ इट? पेरेंट्स को खाली वेकेशन में देखने आओगे? आर यू श्योर यू आर गोइंग टू सिलेक्ट अ बॉय फ्रॉम यूके ओनली? तो वो कुछ भी नहीं पता है. क्यों यूके सिलेक्ट किया? तो मेरे गर्ल्स के ग्रुप में सब जा रहे हैं. तो सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज कि घूमने जाना है तो घूमने चले जाओ, पर 4 साल बर्बाद करने मत जाओ फीस भर के और फिर उसकी लोन पेरेंट, राइट? सो व्हाई यू आर गोइंग टू लिव फॉर लाइफ इन यूरोप? वो जो आपको डिजाइन का डिग्री मिलेगा, उसके बाद वर्क कौन सा करने वाले हो वो सोचा है? कितने एलुमनाई के साथ बात किया आपने वो इंस्टीट्यूशन के? हाँ, यू गॉट योर आंसर. 10 एलुमनाई को पूछ लो वो डिग्री लेने के बाद अभी वो कहाँ वर्क कर रहे हैं, राइट? जो भी कोर्स करना हो आपको, उसके एलुमनाई को पकड़ो 10-15 जो 35 की 45 एज ग्रुप के अंदर हो, और उनको पूछो कि अभी वो डिग्री लेके किस डेजिग्नेशन में है, कौन सी लोकेशन में है, क्या पे मिल रहा है. देन यू गो एंड पे द फीस. दूसरा जो वो नहीं बताएंगे, विच इज इट्स गोइंग टू बी सिक्योरिटी रिस्क. वहां पे क्रूजर्स होने वाला 2030 के बाद वैसे, बट इट्स स्टिल अ सिक्योरिटी रिस्क. तो वो भी करना है कंसिडर. और कितनी फीस भरने वाले थे?
My budget was around 25 lakhs.
My from your money or your parents' money?
I'm taking an education.
You will take a loan and go over there.
I'll be paying.
And what your father does?
He works in the IT.
हाँ.
He'll be retiring this after like 5 years.
तो ठीक है, एल्यूमनाई से बात कर लो, 10-15 एल्यूमनाई से बात कर लो, एंड इफ यू गेट अ सेटिस्फैक्ट्री आंसर के करने जैसा है तो उसको आप कंपेयर कर लो. जापान में कोई सिमिलर इंस्टीट्यूशन है या रशिया में है या यूएई या बहरीन में है तो उसके साथ कंपेयर कर लो, देन यू डू.
Same course, same college, as same alumni. Don't ask other people who are staying in that country. Same course, same alumni.
Thank you, sir.
जी.
Good evening, sir. Sir, my daughter is doing Bachelor of Hotel Management. She aspires to be a chef. So, degree के बाद should she take the campus job or should she start
नहीं,
something
वो
on her
खुद का
own?
ओपन कर ले, शेफ बन गए तो she should have her own brand.
Okay, and if so, then where? Like tier 1,
टियर 2
Yeah.
20 किलोमीटर चले जाओ ना टियर 1 से तो कोई मानसिक प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. और कोई ईएमआई भी नहीं है.
So how is it?
जो ईएमआई है वो 20 किलोमीटर के अंदर ही है, उस तरफ है ही नहीं. तो ईएमआई भी नहीं लेने की और मानसिक प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं लेने के.
So she should start on her own.
Open a brand.
She's too young for that, I feel. She'll
Oh,
be just
no.
22.
22. अरे एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप स्टार्ट्स एट 15.
So she should do
हाँ?
on her own.
हाँ?
And one from everybody.
तो आप लोग हेल्प करो एज अ पेरेंट,
Of course.
राइट. तो स्टाफ सिलेक्शन में हेल्प करो, कैसे प्रॉफिट होगा, मार्केट सर्वे में उसको हेल्प करो, राइट. लेट हर बिल्ड द टीम. ओके. और
And when will Karnataka see a good governance?
where you ask that to DK Shiv Kumar.
No, I am a born and brought up Bangalorean. I've seen the city deteriorate from garden city to what we have today.
नहीं, ये लोग सब अपने गांव चले जाएंगे फिर.
Thank you, sir.
Namaste Ankit ji. I'm a master's enthusiast. I want to do.
Loud.
Namaste Ankit ji. I'm a master enthusiast. I currently want to do my master's in artificial intelligence and machine learning, and I'm planning to do it in US. I'm also preparing for GRE. The thing is, like, what is the future you can see, and what is the advice you can give for me?
वेल वही मैं पूछूंगा जो मतलब ठीक है आपको AIML में शायद नहीं मिलेंगे एल्यूमनाई उतने, बट बी श्योर के यूएस की डिग्री लेके अगर मिल भी रहा होगा तो वो यूएस में लेने नहीं देंगे आपको जॉब, अगर वैकेंसी होगी तो भी, क्योंकि आप अभी करने को बोल रहे हो, मतलब 2 साल बाद की बात कर रहे हो. यू विल बी आउट फ्रॉम दैट क्लासरूम, राइट. बिल्कुल लेने नहीं देंगे अगर वैकेंसी होगी तो भी. तो वो वाली डिग्री लेके आप इधर करने वाले हो, उस प्रोबेबिलिटी के साथ जाना, और फिर यहाँ वाली सैलरी से हाँ आना ही पड़ेगा. नॉट आई विल कम बैक, नहीं, दे विल थ्रो यू आउट. तो यहाँ पे जो मिलेगा उसमें से वो लोन भरनी पड़ेगी. कितनी फीस भरने की है?
It will be around 60 lakhs.
60 lakhs. कहाँ से निकाल रहे हो?
It will be a personal loan.
हाँ.
So in comparison to that, will MBA in good college in India will be better or doing it in?
नहीं, उसको MBA के साथ कैसे कंपेयर कर रहे हो?
No. I'm just asking, like, if I don't feel like India is competitive enough for doing artificial intelligence.
हाँ.
So I was thinking, like, if I can do an MBA in some good college, like IIM
Here,
or something
हाँ.
in India itself, will it be better or?
नहीं, फिर वो AIML खत्म.
Yeah.
वो नहीं करना.
Yeah, that is not like that.
सर ये मास्टर्स डिग्री इसके लिए चाहिए ताकि शादी में आ सके.
शादी में.
ये प्रॉब्लम.
तो एक्सटर्नल कर लो.
Like I want to do good in life, and I feel that if I can do artificial intelligence, there will be like a good thing in my life if I can.
मैंने अभी बताया ना कि टॉप टियर में 500 का 5 होगा, नंबर ऑफ काउंट ऑफ एम्प्लॉइज. वो 5 को अच्छी सैलरी मिलेगी.
I need to be there.
हाँ, वो 5 में कितना आपका प्रोबेबिलिटी है, उस हिसाब से लाइफ को प्लान करो. इफ यू थिंक AIML पढ़ के मैं वो 5 में नहीं आने वाला हूँ तो मुश्किल होगी. ओके.
So what is the future of MBA?
फ्यूचर ऑफ
MBA.
Sir.
कैंपस प्लेसमेंट वाला मुश्किल ही होने वाला है. आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट, साफ बता रहा हूँ. कैंपस प्लेसमेंट मुश्किल होने वाला है.
Namaste Ankit ji. My name is Varun Kuruvalli.
I work in Japan. I work for Yamaha Motors. I have been given an order. I have been given an order by my Grama Devata to do two things in particular. First thing is create a temple economy in my Grama, and second thing is to connect Japan and India in strong way. I think that in the past few years, many things have happened in such a way that I can accumulate all the knowledge of philosophical, economic, and technological knowledge. But on the ground and legally, I'm completely unaware. So I'm seeking guidance.
Huh.
So if there is any,
No, so what study you are completing?
I finished computer science in India,
Okay.
and then I went to Japan,
Huh.
and I worked in I'm still working in Yamaha Motors.
In what designation?
Okay, so it is hard to tell my job, but it's like business strategy and product strategy planning. So we
So,
are
say suppose if you are in Japan right now, there are multiple opportunities that you can look for. There will be aged Japanese people who don't have children, you want to pass on their business. Then there is lot of Japanese finance which you can bring here, invest into projects. Okay. So because the rate of interest, as you know, is very low, at least at this point. So you can bring that finance here and fund the startups over here, and start an investment fund kind of a thing as well. Okay. So explore that kind of stuff, because you're saying business strategy, right?
but the main goal is to create a temple economy in my village.
Well, that's not a business model as such, but
It changes the entire concept of the economy, like from
True.
taxation and investment. It turns
True.
it into donation and voluntary services.
you can't say voluntary actually, but it is more like a cap on profits and a cap on Marxist freebies demanding kind of system. So certainly yes.
If possible, I would like your
Yes, yes, sure. You can send me an email.
Namaste Ankit ji. My name is Rishabh. And I have two questions. First, one is that I mean, recently there was a tariff from US on India. They announced one, then they rolled it back. So, just in case if it happens definitively in future also, would it not be wise to depreciate Indian rupee
for
to meet the tariffs? For example, they have imposed 25%. Just in case if they impose, go ahead with that, and they impose 25% tariff on that.
Means you are saying that अपनी currency और गिराओ तो export continue रहे.
Exactly.
That is what you are saying.
Yeah, I mean,
that's not the objective of Trump.
No, I'm talking about from what to say in India perspective.
But India perspective, why would you go for that?
I mean, then how do you overcome with
You
the text?
see, understand, exports model में आपके ऊपर ऐसे कुत्ते का बिस्किट फेंका गया, खाओ मजे करो. That's just peanuts. What you want is an appreciation of currency. तुम्हारे पास परचेसिंग पावर होना चाहिए. तुम जाके बोलोगे अमेरिकन्स को कि मुझे अच्छा मसाज करके दो. That's the currency appreciation. हम बोल रहे हैं कि तुम्हारा बेस्ट आइटम है वो हम खरीदेंगे. हम हमारा एक्सपोर्ट करना नहीं चाह रहे.
Okay, so the follow-up question, as I said earlier, was that what is the future of the bond markets in India? Because mostly, as I work in financial services, I mean, it's kind of a consulting for US and other global companies like hedge funds. So what is the future of bond markets in terms of India? I mean, will there be huge bond market
Which
develop?
Indian bonds you are talking?
Yes, yes.
Indian bond market is going to expand.
As in, what is the timeline that you see for that?
3 years.
3 years from now. Okay. Thank you.
Hello Ankit ji.
Ji.
Very excited to see you.
Ji.
I'm from a small village working here. I'm from a very small village. I'm working here. I'm a finance professional. I have two questions. I won't take much time. Yeah.
नहीं, small village in what sense? मतलब small size में.
हाँ. Population. So my first question is, we all are Modi fans, Modi government fans, and he did tremendous job in after 2014. I can see the changes every day. There is a positive news, but I have some negative. I have one point. They are. I'm very much upset about EPFO. This one, Employee Provident Fund. They made a process easy, taking money and
Withdrawal. Huh?
withdrawal. But they are not increased pension amount, and sometimes they don't even put interest on time. After 6 months, I will get message that your March ka September mein aayega.
That's the process. What percentage they are giving?
8 point something.
8 is good. मतलब FD से तो ज़्यादा
It
है.
is good, but they are not depositing on time, and it is affecting pension. And they are
So
giving.
is it like every year they do a fixed?
Every year.
They deposit after 6 months once it is
Sometimes
due.
5 months, sometimes 6 months.
Acha.
And they are giving pension amount only minimum 1,000 and maximum 7,500. Tell me, in Bangalore, 1,000 rupees, what is the mean for a person?
नहीं वो तो परसेंट आपका जितना होगा उस पर परसेंटेज होता है ना. तो ज़्यादा कहाँ से दे देंगे?
No, but they have huge amount. If I'm not making payment of 100 rupees less for IT return, they will send a notice. But they are not working here, EPFO. And also, please mention this point in your videos, so that maybe Modi or Minister may be seeing it in your videos. And second point, gratuity. For gratuity, I should be in company for 5 years. So I am quitting the company 1 or 2 year, and my amount is going. This also point, please mention. My second point, just second question.
तो जॉब बदलते हो तो अमाउंट फोरफिट हो जाता है.
हाँ, forfeit हो जाएगा.
कितना 5 साल करना है?
हाँ, 5 साल करना है.
तुम IT सेक्टर वाला हर जगह करोगे तो.
I just one question. I have a startup idea. So please guide me where from start.
Write an email. Write an email for that.
ठीक है चलो.
Namaste Ankit sir. My name is Abhishek. So I have a question. So my name is Abhishek. Can you everyone hear me? Yeah. So my name is Abhishek. So trying to build a business. So my whole idea is, what is the right approach to build a business? Should it be value based or should it be profit based? My whole understanding is you should chase the value and profits will chase you. And also second
question, should be profit based until you can establish the values.
And also
first your survival is important in that business model. So say if there are 5 real estate businessmen who are making a margin of 200%, now you enter the business saying, no, I want to be dharmic, I'll do only 25%. They will kick you out of the market. Okay, some or the other way. So first establish yourself, and then फिर जितना आपको धर्म करना है, धर्म के लिए पहले पेट भरा हुआ होना चाहिए.
And the last question, like the government is advocating Make in India. बोलो Make in India करो, Make in India करो. But I see the drawback in Make in India is Make in India will only growth कितना करेगा I don't know. It will just lead to Make in कचरा. मतलब इतना जो waste generate होगा, no one is concentrating on मतलब managing that. So is the country's growth is service based export में अगर country ज़्यादा grow करेगा या product based export में country ज़्यादा grow करेगा? Because if no one is handling
future, it is going to be product based.
But no one is handling the waste part. Like आज एक शर्ट बनाओ, 50,000 लीटर पानी चला जाता है शर्ट बनाने में, but कोई उस पानी को प्रोसेस करने में दिमाग ही नहीं लगा रहा है.
That also becoming a business model, by the way.
But the government is not advocating it, is what my thing is. Yeah.
जय जिंदन अंकित जी. So मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि should I continue to be into the home loan for the tier 1 property for the next which I want
कहाँ
to.
पे लिया है?
Recently 1 year पहले.
Bangalore
में.
कितने में लिया है?
I mean 50% is from the
Loan.
pocket and 50% is a loan.
नहीं, amount क्या है?
Loan amount is 50 L.
50 L.
I want to finish it up in the next 5 years, but when we see the scenario which is going to happen.
You are in IT?
Yeah.
है so ठीक है 50
50 खुद का डाल
if you sell what do you get
Depends when to sell.
if you sell right now
Right now.
what do you get
It's a good
80?
value. Like on the total property price, there is a 20 to 30 L is already increased.
हाँ तो बेच दो हाँ why do you have to wait कौन सी साल में लिया है
2024.
हाँ तो yes you can sell it
Yeah. I mean, it is under construction property right now.
ठीक है जाने दो
और नहीं बढ़ेगा सर
हाँ
और नहीं बढ़ेगा वो
नहीं it's not in old it's that side right
Yeah.
Which side of the Bangalore?
Whitefield only.
हाँ तो white निकाल लो sell it sell it
Okay. I have one more question, but I will ask tomorrow. I'll ask tomorrow.
Yeah, you can ask tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Sure.
क्यों कितना बजा है 6 बजने को आया
Namaskaram, sir. My name is Pawan Kumar. So my question is, in this competitive world, what are the skill sets we need to learn for the future generation? And in my generation, what are the skill sets to be learned? And BSc preferred or
लंबा line.
BTech?
हाँ क्या ऑप्शन है BSc
BSc is preferred in future, in next, I mean, for the future, or BTech?
BSc में लेकिन कौन सा डोमेन
Data science, AI.
डू सम कोर सेक्टर थिंग ठीक है टेक वाला जो भी होगा ना वो तो आप 3 महीने का ऑनलाइन कोर्स करके टेक वाला पोर्शन हो जाएगा
नॉन टेक
आई एम टेलिंग यू टेक वाला कोई भी ट्रेनिंग आप ऑनलाइन 3 महीने में कंप्लीट कर सकते हो ठीक है कोर सेक्टर में पढ़ाई करो जो भी करना है
And what are the skill sets to be mastered for?
वेल दैट विल डिपेंड ऑन पहले तुमको ये डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा कि व्हाट डू यू वांट टू डू इन करियर फॉर लाइफ पूरी लाइफ क्या करना है बिजनेस करना है एकेडमिक्स करना है जॉब करना है तो कौन से डोमेन में करना है राइट किसमें आपका रियल इंटरेस्ट बैठ रहा है डोंट वरी अबाउट द मार्कशीट उसको 2030 के बाद कोई पूछ ही नहीं रहा कि मार्कशीट में क्या लिखा है राइट तो स्किल्स ले लो और सीधा मार्केट में घुसो
नमस्ते अंकित जी तो ये हाउ डू वी डीकोलोनाइज बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन इन इंडिया
by following the
Like,
calendar.
what is like was there a concept of birthday celebration in our shastra or
was there a concept
रामनवमी
भाई साहब 5000 10,000 साल से हम रामनवमी जन्माष्टमी ये क्या है
no like how the usual normal people used to celebrate
the method of celebrating
celebration
well different regions had different methods in general what people used to do is feed the poor feed the orphans feed the animals or sponsor some old age people jatra kind of thing this were the method of celebrating the birthdays certainly deep not the candle or a cake right throwing food at each other is not our method okay
और दिया लगाती हूँ नो केक नथिंग घर में सीरा बनाती हूँ और बच्चों को खिलाती हूँ और कहीं गौशाला में लेके जाती हूँ ऑर्फनेज में लेके जाती हूँ वहाँ जाके हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं
So when you are celebrating a birthday, what essentially you are saying is that your karma has been good enough that you are enjoying all these facilities. So at least on that day you should be able to help out those people who don't have those kind of karma to enjoy those kind of facilities. So at least you can feed those animals or poor or orphans or the aged people. That's our method.
Last 4.
Good evening, sir. I am Naveen, a software engineer. So this government started with great reforms like, this government started with great reforms like, GST, demonetization and RERA and off late, we are not seeing those kind of big reforms. It's almost like stitching kind of or process reforms. We are not seeing these kind of very big reforms. Do you see any strategy in this?
Means what kind of reforms? Big reforms in the sense
Or
what?
like maybe land reforms, agri reforms, or labor reforms?
See, the farm laws which they withdrew,
Right.
that became statewide in some or the other form.
Right.
Okay. More reforms will come, but the biggest one is going to be action on 500 rupee notes, right? And then the digital transaction tax that will come. So that will be big enough. हाँ.
नमस्ते अंकित जी थोड़ा डिटेल में थोड़ा पिक्चर्स वे में बता सकते हैं कि अभी जो 15 ईयर्स 16 ईयर्स बच्चा है टीनेजर, वो दे आर इन द रेगुलर स्कूल, तो वो मतलब कैसे उनका मतलब ट्रांजिशन होगा? ये तो चीज़ है कि आप प्रेफर कर रहे हैं कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप करना चाहिए। थोड़े लोग, बहुत से लोग तो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप करने के लिए मतलब इंक्लाइन भी नहीं होंगे, तो जॉब मॉडल के लिए तो वो मतलब कैसे
नहीं, कौन इंक्लाइन नहीं होगा?
बच्चे, थोड़े बच्चे
इंक्लाइंड है, पेरेंट्स होने नहीं दे रहे।
नहीं हम सपोर्ट करते हैं। मैं एज ए पेरेंट में तो एक्चुअली उनको एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप मॉडल के डायरेक्शन में सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन बहुत से मतलब इन ये जो हम मतलब करंट एजुकेशनल स्कूल मतलब जा रहे हैं, बोर्ड मतलब जा रहे हैं, वहाँ तो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का ये ही नहीं है, मतलब ये नहीं है। तो उन लोगों के लिए मतलब क्या डायरेक्शन होगा कि कुछ एक्स्ट्रा क्या कर सकते हैं कि बच्चे की मतलब बाय 2030 कुछ
तो आप भेजो ना, सैटरडे संडे किसी शॉप पे भेजो, कैश काउंटर पे बिठाओ।
Yes, sir. This way.
Last two questions.
Jai Shri Ram, Ankit ji. My name is Shiv Kumar. So I have a question related to fathering. So you are telling that fathering is missing, but I want to know. I have a son who is 8 years old. He is doing okay now. He is done. I mean, he's doing his schooling as a homeschool.
Okay.
Now the situation is, when I was kid, my father used to go to office 7:30, come back 3:30. He was available for me. Now I go office at 9, come back at 8. I'm not available to him. So how do I change this? How do I make myself available to be? There is no missing of fathering.
For this, the parents have to first cut down their own greed of spending money.
Okay.
So if you cut down your greed for spending money, you will get the window to cut down the number of hours you are working.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So that is the only way you can give time to your children. And believe me, none of the children are ever going to remember how many hours you are working.
Yes.
They'll remember the number of hours you spent with them.
True.
Right. So if you are genuinely interested in productively building your child, then you have to dedicate some hours for it. Okay. Now this involves not just mental development and enterprising, risk-taking abilities and things like that, but also sports and physical along with the child.
Okay. Understood.
So, and again, the child has to have siblings.
Okay.
If possible, two. Okay.
Okay.
Because that will be the layer of security around him when you are not there in this world.
Okay.
So this is your primary responsibility as a parent.
Okay.
That your child has one or two siblings, minimum one, two, at least two. Okay. So that's the only way you secure their future.
Okay.
Okay. I'm more than sure that if you cut down your personal spending, you can cut down the number of hours. Now you have to figure out how do you.
Figure out now to come back early to home, spend time with him.
So and as much as I know about today's fathers, they will themselves also learn a lot. It's not in the process. So be it our scriptures or be it your health, your personal health will also improve with this, psychologically and physically both, with the number of hours spent.
add on, just to add on, you mentioned that before 6 years it is mother's role, after 6 it is father's role. So currently my wife, she has taken care of him as of now, and she has told me that she will be the one who will pick him if he makes any mistake. Should I
You
change the
decided.
role? Yeah.
So you want to be the good guy, huh?
I will love him.
Huh.
He will be the bad person.
Huh.
So that was the role that we had assigned. Should I change that?
Till this age. Now it has to reverse. It has to reverse because the father is the first policeman in the house. So that role cannot be assigned to the mother. She will shout, but is not going to listen. After an age, the lady can shout for 2-3 hours. There will be no one's going to listen.
Make sure your son doesn't see this video.
Last. Sorry, I recently moved from US. I was into corporate world, not anymore. I threw my laptop out of it, and starting in aerospace and defense manufacturing. I just wanted to know your opinion if I'm in the right direction, because a lot of people are saying, why did you leave your job and go to India and did something? Because my family still lives in India.
And what have you started here as of now?
I started a defense and aerospace manufacturing.
In Bangalore?
Starting. I just moved a month.
Acha. I think the sectors you have selected is perfect, and if you are able to implement, it will certainly work.
Should I worry about the finance part of it right now, having a bit of debt here and there? Because after listening to, I sold my property in Canada, saying that I don't want to have one.
So you are talking about whether you are going to pay the debt up front.
Yeah. Or should I invest here?
It's a Canadian loan. Wait for the rate cuts. Wait for the rate cuts. Once the rate cuts, then you make the repayment. Keep the loan till then.
So my decision is still for that I'm investing.
Just addition to that, if someone has taken a loan, an Indian has taken a loan in US, now can he default and come back to India forever?
Well, that can happen.
Just a suggestion.
I am not suggesting.
Yeah.
Certainly. I have no clue.
Last question.
Yeah. Namaste, Ankit ji. So, thank you for coming. We are actually a construction company. We are called Janit, from Sanskrit meaning literally to be born. So, we are doing individual
Bangalore based?
हाँ, Bangalore में based है. South India में किया है mainly commercial and residential construction. तो individual homes we are building. इस इंडस्ट्री में आपको पता है lot of cheating, lot of builders are there जो like actually काम नहीं करते ठीक से. So we are trying to change that, or your idea also of ethical profit वो भी implement किया है. So just wanted to understand from your perspective कि where is the market, like where is the audience, and where are the kind of right people to target for individual constructions across India we are doing.
For real estate?
Not apartments, sir. Like individual land and then housing. Individual houses.
Row houses, bungalows.
Bungalows, yes. Client to client.
So tier 2 cities you can target. Besides, what I am seeing is, just as in Gujarat they are doing Gift City and Dholera. Dholera is the first semiconductor city. So if Dholera goes successful, my understanding is that the government would have planned for replicating that Dholera model across all the states. So you'll have 20-30 cities coming up from scratch, which means if you have the land parcels on time, you can make good money. Tier 2 cities where they want to build the city from scratch. So that would be your market rather than tier 1.
So now everyone has to
What
sit
is
over
this?
here, and also back stand. You can stand at the back or sit in front. We will have a big group photo.
Jai Balaji. Yes, sir.
Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram.
भारत माता की
जय. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram.
ले ले
सर एक पिक्चर थैंक यू सर
देख सकते हैं
हाँ
धन्यवाद सर थैंक यू
चले
जी सर
as well बैंगलोर में
थैंक यू जी एक फोटो
100 kilometers far.
oh nice
थैंक यू
thanks
Team guys.